During this lesson you will be required to fill out a worksheet. I recommend you read through the worksheet before viewing the lesson. In order to give you time to do this, you can use the pause button at the bottom of the screen. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to list 2 reasons for draining subsoil water, state 2 types of pipes used in drainage systems, state the most common pipe used these days in drainage systems, list 3 advantages of using flexible pipes when laying a drain, and list the steps to be taken when repairing a length of drain. Subsoil drainage. Reasons for draining subsoil water are: 1. To prevent surface flooding and thus improve conditions for building. 2. To lessen the amount of dampness occurring in foundation block work. 3. To prevent foundation from becoming waterlogged. 4. To increase the stability of the subsoil and the ground surface. And 5. To lessen the humidity that can occur when buildings are erected on a damp site. The outfalls for subsoil drainage should lead to natural waterways, for example rivers and streams, a soakaway, which is constructed in some good permeable ground, or into wastewater drain system. Perforated pipes are laid in the ground and surrounded by pea gravel. This allows the subsoil water to drain into the pipes and flow away, thus drying out the ground. So the perforated pipes can have perforations on top or on the bottom, or sometimes all around. There are 2 classes of pipes that are used in drainage. The first is rigid pipe and the second are flexible pipes. Rigid pipes come in 3 different forms: fibre cement, vitrified clay and concrete. However, these pipes should only be used for surface water. The second one there, flexible pipes. These are the most common pipes used and are made from UPVC, that's unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. They can be used for any water type: soil water, wastewater, surface water or subsoil water. The 3 main advantages flexible pipes have over rigid are: 1. They are easier to handle and cut. 2. The joints are easily fitted together. 3. The labour cost for fitting is cheaper. Repairing a damaged drain. Split double sockets can be used for repairing a damaged drain. The area around the damaged pipe must be cleaned and the pipe cleaned to help adhesion. The double socket is placed in position and jointed with neat cement before the whole repair is encased in concrete. This is for a rigid pipe, repairing a rigid pipe. Newer PVC pipes can be simply pushed into position using 2 lengths of pipe and 3 double sockets. So repairing a length of damaged PVC drain. Excavate down to the damaged pipe, cut the section of the damaged pipe out. Then what we do is we place 2 collar joints, 2 collars over either end of the existing pipe. Then we cut 2 short lengths of pipe, put them into position with a 3rd collar in between the 2 lengths of pipe, and then we simply push down on the top of this 3rd collar until they click into position. It's important that all your measurements are correct and that the 2 lengths of pipe that you cut are exactly right. This entire section then will be encased in concrete and then backfilled. Conclusion. Subsoil drainage prevents: 1. Surface flooding. 2. Foundations becoming waterlogged. 3. Humidity in buildings erected on damp sites. 4. It increases the stability of subsoil and ground surface. Rigid and flexible pipes are used in drainage systems. Flexible is the most common pipe used. Advantages of using flexible pipes. 1. They're easier to handle and cut. 2. The joints are easily fitted together. And 3. Labour cost is cheaper. Steps to be taken when repairing a length of drain. 1. Damaged pipe must be cleaned to help adhesion. 2. A double socket is placed with neat cement and is encased in concrete. This is for a rigid pipe. For PVC pipes, these can be pushed into position using 2 lengths of pipe and 3 double sockets.